working on my 2007 F150. If you've probably seen the videos before, we're tearing it down, prepping it for paint. This is just my front end. I haven't finished my grill yet, but repainted bumper. I've got the Morimoto fog lights. I've got a 32-inch light bar in the grill. For anybody wanting to do that, you do have to trim your frame horns just a little bit to put them in. No big deal. I have the switchback blinkers. So when you turn the blinker on, they go orange. So it's hyper flashing right now because I don't have a brake light in, but they do flash normal. I have the resistors in. They're not hard to put in. It does go back to white. I finished up my fenders. This door is in the process of being color sanded, and what that is just buffing out any imperfections from the paint. I have all my stuff in my truck right now. If you can't tell, it is a King Ranch. We're going to put the doors back on. I've just got the bedside finished up. So, yeah. So we're just finishing up, tightening up the door. I did get the harness run in. So go over a little bit on the bedside here. That's just a little nib from trash getting buffed out. I've got the platinum wheels off the new truck on here. I do have spike lug nuts. A lot of people like to talk about them. But I've got some smoke tail lights. They pretty much match the truck. They're pretty dark. I have 5% tint all the way around. I only have a brow on the windshield. Yeah. Alright guys, so got all the doors back on. I'm putting some MIC tuning rock lights. Sorry for the last bed, you probably can't see them. But I got the 4-piece, nothing crazy. I'm going to mount my control box probably somewhere in this side of the fender. Possibly in the middle of the truck. I might put it in my console and pull the carpet and run the wires, but she's coming together pretty good. I got all my seals in on my doors. Doors are sealed up pretty good. All the seals are back in on the windows. Just got to put the door panels and everything back on. But got my tail lights in. Got my tail lights and stuff in. So we're almost there. So another thing that I did that a lot of people don't really think about is these were plastic, and I didn't really like the plastic. It faded really easy. So when I got the truck painted, I wanted to go back with the gloss black over the plastics, kind of like the new trucks are. I did that on, of course, the front and back doors. Turned out pretty good. The paint on this truck it's going to have a gold pearl in the black. It's only going to be a 2-stage paint, so the flake is mixed in with the base coat, and then it's got a clear over the top. We were going to do a tri-coat, but that leaves room for a little bit of inconsistency in the flake, and it makes it easier when you do a 2-stage to match. So I have this big fear of when I get the truck done that something's going to happen to it, so I always wanted to have a backup to match it. So all right, so we got her knocked out. That's where we put our rock light right there. The other one's same way, same place, right there. I haven't run the back yet, but just kind of waiting to wrap everything up with the paint. But I think she's looking pretty good. Won't be long. Should be ready to go. But give you all a little bit of flake. Yep, gold pearl.
Nothing else. I tried to show 'em